Lighthouse Estates, the newest development in Marblehead. We are located across from Missouri's public boat ramp. We are minutes away from the gates of Lakeside, the village of Marblehead, plenty of shops, local restaurants, all the amenities one can ask for a year-round residence, even a vacation home. Welcome to our Wren floor plan at Lighthouse Estates. We have 1765 square feet and plenty of upgrades to show you. We have the wainscoting going down the foyer. We have the upgraded lighting, quartz countertops, custom cabinetry. We have upgraded carpet throughout. We have an upgraded fireplace, gas fireplace, a patio that was poured in the back, landscaping, grass, just about anything that you could ask for.